gonna test install it,
Hi,
right?
welcome to the live stream.
Oh
I'm
my
doing a
god.
new format, and you could
We
see
are
that
totally
I'm
not prepared.
powered by StreamYard. Powered, Yep. So
Yeah.
this is my first time using StreamYard. I don't know whether you guys are able to see this, but yes, today we are going to talk about Mint. And I have with me here JJ. Yes,
Hi, my name is
a full
JJ.
name is Jong Jong.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay, so
Yeah.
let me see if this works. Let me go to my YouTube channel and see whether it shows.
Yeah, see if you can hear my voice. For the past two live
Nobody,
stream, my voice was
nobody
mute.
cares about your voice.
Oh my
Everybody
god.
cares about me. Kidding, I have no idea. Okay, we are live. You are live. Let me can I hear myself?
Can I hear what?
Okay, I can hear myself.
Can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
Yeah,
Do
I
you
can hear
hear
you.
me?
And
Wow, that's great.
all right, so let's go to this Mint programming language. So actually I was looking through Twitter, and then this guy he posted this Mint thing because he was like, oh my god, Mint has some programming language feature that I think we should use, kind of thing. All right.
Mm.
All right. So let's see this like right hand section here. It looks pretty nice.
Yep.
Or like
Error free. Easily readable, maintainable application in record time.
record time. Is this is like a
It
copy
looks
paste kind of
very
thing.
it looks very what do you call that?
Svelte, right? It looks
React.
very
React.
svelte.
No, it looks very React.
Because
Like
the
React
word
have
component
the
and state.
no, because React got the render thing, like the return render
Oh yeah,
something.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's true. That's
Yeah.
true.
So
I
it
did
looks
not
like that.
do React before, but I've done React Native, so it's kind of similar, I
Mm.
guess. Number to
So
string.
this looks kind of I wouldn't say kind of, but this looks like it's like draw inspiration from Flutter and Swift, where they have declarative UI, but they don't do declarative UI in terms of like building it into the language. Their declarative UI is extending CSS and
Right,
HTML.
right, right. Hey, you can try. Let's see.
Oh,
Oh, you
you
have a
have a
sandbox. Nice. Oh wow, there's a lot of. Okay, that's not a lot.
that's you can create a
What is
new one.
this?
See if it works.
Where? How do I create a new one?
I have no idea.
Let's go to do. Let's see what a to do looks like.
Oh,
One
there's an
source
error, right? Yeah, there's an error. Is it? Yeah, it's an error. Is that
line
the
31,
official
32.
example?
I don't know. So line 31, 32. I was expecting number. Maybe number. Array map to do number. But so this number is not correct. This is so weird. I mean, I'm not used to this kind of programming language. But okay, let me look into a functioning one. Calculator. All right, let's go here. What? Doesn't look like a calculator. It there
Just
is.
reading through the website. The website is
All
pretty
right.
interesting. The website looks very
Oh, okay,
clean.
okay, okay. So this is the one that we just saw. So this is the
Oh, the
example that they
counter.
have. Yeah.
Can you try
Um.
below zero? Decrement below zero. Are you
Can
able
can.
to do it? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Cool. They support
Wait.
negative
Let
numbers.
me. Can I change this? Oh, I can't. Log in to fork. I need to fork. The hell.
Just try forking the sandbox. See if you
I need to
can.
log in GitHub.
It's okay.
Create sandbox. My sandbox. Blah blah blah. Where's
So
the
it
my?
looks like main language itself is quite actively developed. It's the last update was 4 hours ago. Let's see.
Okay. Let me do increment. Does it work? Okay, if I don't have this, let me comment this down. If I delete this, does it work? How do I understand? Save this. Am I saving this? Hello? Hello?
Don't fork it again.
Oh, I have to fork it lah. Okay.
Uh,
All right, my sandbox. Okay, let's go here. All right, yes. Okay, compile. It becomes like this. Cool. Okay. I was thinking why like that. So let's see, Mint's programming language have plus equal or not.
no. Wait, that's equals plus.
So let's compile and let's see if it works. Cannot.
No.
No. Lousy.
Which is fine. I think wait, if I know Python also doesn't have this, right? Let me Google. Python plus equal.
Don't have plus equal lah. That's sad.
Oh wait,
So you
Python
have
does have it. Yeah, but Python does
yeah.
have plus plus.
Oh,
Yeah,
maybe it's plus plus. Okay, okay. Let's do plus plus. Huh?
yeah, Python does have plus plus.
Let's compile this. Okay, maybe we need to put closer. I'm just like meddling with this. How
No,
is Min a good programming language? What the fuck?
it's okay. Maybe they just force you to keep it simple
Yeah, so
and
lah.
like
Like, but
yeah.
yeah lah. That's true. That's true. So if I compile this, it looks okay. So you got div, span, div. So you got this. Okay. I'm not a
Hmm.
fan of HTML, honestly, coming from a declarative UI, but doesn't matter.
Well,
So
HTML is declarative, right? You declare the layout
no,
and then you apply styles.
no.
What you mean, I think, is you declare the styles and the layout together.
Yes,
And
that's called declarative.
not declarative just means you declare it because of how you declare it. Yeah. All right. Let's look at the website. Looks pretty interesting.
Okay,
Yeah. It's
styling. So you can style with CSS using the word style and got many sub select. So it looks it's literally CSS, but has the word style in front. Cool. Interpolate any mean expression. So you have this thing, I guess. So user space. So you can create your own variables inside. It's called
mm,
property.
mm.
Yeah, I guess it makes sense. So you can call this like a normal class. You can use if and case expressions at any block to apply styles conditional. Right. So you have a if. Okay. So if done is true, then the text decoration is line true. Okay, makes sense. Let's go to data
Wow.
management.
Wow. Okay.
So a store contains and manages some data, stores globally accessible and connected to components. So it's a Redux, but the data
More or
is
less.
yeah.
It's
So
like
okay,
Vuex, stuff
so
like
you
that.
got function. So okay. The difference between this function is that it has a what do you call this
It's type
argument.
lah.
Then yeah, it is type. Then if you go up here, right, this function doesn't have an argument. So
I
without an
think it's just
argument
optional.
is yeah cool, I guess. Right. So you're exposing connect to those exposing at delete. I mean it's readable, like the readability is there, I guess. So you expose a record. I mean sorry. This is what's record?
I think it's a type, probably.
Type record. So I
Because they
record down
define the capital to do, right? Other
right.
places doing
So
it.
it's an interface.
Yeah.
Property items is equal to list of to do. Wow, nice. So they have an items that you can call and it represents as a list of to do. Okay, cool. Right. So then you can manipulate the items accordingly. So this is an internal state that you manipulate. Okay. Okay. So items is equal to array dot push. Huh. All right. So they expose the class, but this is it is the same as items dot push. Okay. I don't
I
understand what's the
think
state.
uh
Uh,
possibly this might be because I'm not sure, I'm just guessing, but I think the reason why they use items equals array dot push is probably because array dot push creates a new array So it's like the item itself is immutable. I mean, by immutable, I mean you can't edit it unless you reassign it lah. I think that's why it's for. That's why they have to reassign it back into items. If not,
Right.
traditionally you wouldn't use items equals, right?
I guess so.
Yeah. Mm.
There's one viewer. Hi, viewer. Oh, I'm the viewer. Yikes. Why
Yeah.
viewing it? The happy Haris. Okay, lah, whatever the case is. Okay, next, let's go to routing. Routes. All right. So you have the uh looks like a
The
map.
way they declare it looks very interesting. I mean,
Yeah.
it's part of the language, but I guess it's still very interesting.
So okay, application dot set page. Set page you got slug. Okay, then you have this thing. Cool. Cool.
Mm.
Do you want to see anything else? So it's a
Uh,
typed path parameters.
sure, you can share my screen.
Okay.
So yeah, we can take a look at this.
Zoom in.
This is sure, what and why.
Okay, good.
This is very interesting. So based on this description itself, it looks just like what Flutter is for to a certain extent. Like what you're doing is it gives you the compiler and a framework together. I mean Dart and Flutter lah. So that looks pretty interesting. And this is kind of interesting. They say why choose Min over JavaScript. So their main thing is like it's a strongly typed
Strongly
language
type. Yeah.
and it gives you a framework out of the box. So I mean it's kind of like to a certain extent it's kind of like TypeScript and
Right.
yeah,
Yeah.
something out of the
Why
box.
choose Mint over Elm? Elm has a great developer experience, but being a pure functional language leads to some boilerplate code.
Yeah.
Right.
So as you guys know, functional language is very good for writing. Well, for like the way it makes you think and the way it makes you write code forces you to uh, eliminate certain type of bugs.
Mm.
Thus, it is good in certain scenario, but maybe like what this guy mentions, it may be difficult to use that, especially for newcomers who, let's say, for example, mobile world, they are familiar with declarative UI from Swift or from
Flutter.
Flutter. Yeah. So maybe that's why. But yeah, let's look at what I mean. Oh, so it's heavily what do you call it? Heavily influenced by React, right?
Right. Yeah.
So
Yeah, it
create
does.
the perfect. So yeah, I mean it looks pretty Reacty.
Yeah.
Essentially, you can say that this is like a different spin of
On React.
TypeScript and React.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's nice,
Immutable data structure.
right? Which is now it is
The
built in.
org.
Whereas in what do you call that? Wait, I think it's called immutable JS, right? There's a library. Yeah. So like if I'm not wrong, in React you use this, whereas this would just be built in. This is good.
Mm, right.
Um, and the thing is, this is a compiled to JS language. So
Right.
yeah, okay. Wow, they have quite a lot of support. That's good if you are very adventurous and you use Atom or Emacs of Vim. Okay, let's look at the
Yikes.
CLI. Looks pretty nice. I would say that the docs is really nice. I
Zoom
like the
in.
docs.
I can't
My
see.
bad. Uh,
I mean, it
I would say that
looks fairly
the
okay.
docs
Yeah.
looks very clean, understandable, and okay. Oh, they use the .mint extension story. Yeah, it looks kind of like what do you call that? NPMI. Yeah, I mean it's oh, but the thing is it's built in, so you can restart the
Yeah.
yeah.
Server.
You know
Right.
the thing is when I see these type of things, right, I think it's really nice and all. It's just that the main thing I worry is more or less like if I choose to build with this platform, what's the life cycle of this platform like? Like will it die out one
Right.
day? Will I have to rewrite my whole code base?
Right.
I think this is suitable for like new projects where you want to experiment with a new technology and then yeah,
Yeah.
okay, Chrome and Firefox supported. That's cool. Uh, oh yeah, and from their talks they say that you have built-in documentation generation support, so I can add documentation directly
Right.
inside my code, and I can just generate it and see it.
Okay,
So that's
that's
cool. Let's take a look at some few other stuff. Configuration. Well, this just really look like package.json. I mean, this is essentially package.json, and it
zoom
allows.
in.
Sure. Right, it looks like package.json.
I
Uh,
don't know what's package JSON, but if it looks like that,
it's
okay.
it's basically the file where
Ah,
you declare all your
right.
dependencies, and it's
Yeah.
like in Android it's manifest JSON,
Yeah,
something like that. Yeah,
yeah.
that's nice. This is very well documented, I would say, compared to the npm website. To be honest, npm website is a bit lacking.
Yikes.
Yeah, it
Easy
is
to
very
use,
good,
but yeah.
but yeah. So main
The project is
uh,
in development. We're still tweaking the language and standard library. The Mint
where do you see that?
implementation of I'm inside the GitHub.
Yeah. So we can take a look at the GitHub. This is all pretty interesting, but the
Right.
GitHub was even more interesting. So the first thing we notice is that, hey,
Zoom.
wow,
Yes.
Crystal programming language.
Yeah, that's
That
why.
is that is. I mean, this, no offense, but this guy sounds like a hipster. Whoever who created it,
Crystal.
using all the cutting edge stuff.
Don't
Yeah,
know if it's cutting edge, but
this looks interesting.
that
Synchronous
might
and
fail.
asynchronous. Yeah.
What do you mean by that might fail?
I think they have built-in support for catching things that fail.
Fails
Yeah, so I saw this and I really like the fact that they did a real world.io. So
Yeah,
basically, real world.io, if you guys don't know what is basically you build a demo app that looks like medium.com,
yeah.
and yeah, and they
They
have
compare. Yeah,
they have all sorts of languages,
right.
Svelte, React, Vue, everything. All these things that you don't really hear about very often. Clojure script,
Yeah,
WebAssembly even.
yeah.
And yeah, backends. Pretty interesting. Sort by popularity.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this is really interesting.
So where
Crystal.
is Crystal?
And for
Mint.
the
Where's Mint?
where's Mint? Let's see.
Command
Okay, let's
find
just
Mint or control find.
there's no, I can't find it. Is it maybe an image? Yeah, it's probably an image.
It
Yeah.
is a leaf.
I don't see a link.
Mayo lah. I think they are rewriting and giving it another try.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not too sure.
Let's, huh.
Real world. Nah, don't
Well,
have.
looks like we can't find it. But hey, at least, I mean, at least it's proven that Crystal works, because maybe they built it inside Crystal, potentially.
We see, but it's back end though. Mint is
Yeah,
front end.
maybe it's they built it inside the back end, like as like I don't know. Oh no,
I
it's just
also
the
don't
API
know.
implementation.
Right.
Wow, this is interesting. Very
Efficiency
real
compared. Zoom in,
people.
zoom in. Yeah.
Very
Comparable
few
to
people
C.
say that.
Yikes. Beauty inherited from Ruby type system with smart compiler.
Crystal
Okay.
itself is not officially released.
It's
Huh.
oh
So
no.
it's not.
No, if you read the Mint what do you call that? The Mint documentation they say they are not open source 100%.
Oh really? Mint is
Yeah.
not open source?
No. It's not
Wait,
yeah, it's not
let me
100%
see.
open source. Uh yeah, in their what do you call that?
It looks open source, I mean. Why would it, I don't think they will keep all this if it's not open source. Like which part of it do you mean by not
I
open
think
source?
it's Crystal the language, something like that. I'm not too sure.
Okay. Well, but they have a lot of contributors. Yeah.
I mean,
What's
it's a
this?
start lah. I mean, it's a start, but not enough for it to maintain itself, I guess, or to progress fast. Yeah,
Mm,
but I mean, overall, means is yeah, looks cool.
that looks cool. So,
Yeah,
do you want to try it out? Do you want me to try it out? We can try to install it, see how easy it is to get
try
started.
yours.
Me? Oh
Yes.
man. Okay, let's see what it takes to install.
Right. Because yours is
Oh
Windows.
wow. Oh yeah. Yeah. So if you guys use Windows, welcome. So it's apparently a shame that people use Windows, but I'm okay with Windows. I mean, to be
Windows is
honest,
just
right?
not. Yeah, lah.
Like if you use Windows or Mac and then you move to Linux, like okay, this really varies on what laptop or what computer you're using. But I would say that because Windows is the pre-booted OS, its power management is a lot better out of the box, especially for Windows devices. Like if you use a Linux system, yes, they are more lightweight and everything, but sometimes you have to configure it a lot just to get the same level of power consumption you have on Windows built-in. That's one of the main
That's
reasons why I use Windows.
yeah. I mean,
In
for
case you
me,
don't, you
yeah,
have a special computer, you can use Docker. Yeah. Okay, let's try this.
install from
Oh,
source, git clone, cdmin, shards install, crystal
wait.
build.
Oh, this is installed from source. There's no install for Windows. Oh, there's no Windows installed.
Really, man?
Yeah,
Or
there's no you
they?
have, if you're Windows, you have to install from source.
Yikes!
That
For
what's
me,
shards?
I have no
That's it.
idea.
This is an issue of the box already.
No idea, man.
Shard. No, this no. Shard CLI2. See if such a thing exists. Combine.
Brew doesn't
No,
exist on Windows, ah.
no. Wait, I don't think so. Pro is a Mac thing, right? Pro on
Right.
Win. Uh,
A lazy install another thing inside.
no. Okay,
No, ah.
okay. What I can try is I'll go for the Windows people out there. If you have Docker, we can
Docker.
try it together. Yeah. So let's try it together. Um.
Zoom in.
Okay. Is it not
Zoom
zoom in
in.
enough? Okay, let me zoom in for you
Command
guys to
plus. I
just.
mean control plus.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So let me just
Show your
it's lagging.
password.
No, I'm making a directory.
Oh.
Yeah, I
So
don't wanna I
for
don't.
those who don't know Docker, JJ, you can explain.
Oh wow, it's a long story. Essentially Docker is good.
Yikes! Wow.
Yikes.
Thanks. Let's end
So
this live stream.
so
Container.
okay, let's describe Docker super quickly. So let's say if you want to run a custom, okay, so because we are developers, we like using the coolest and most random technology. So if let's say the developer makes a software on Linux and he compiles for the Linux platform, you as a Windows user, you can't use it. So you
Yeah.
have to either cross compile or somehow, or you can run a VM in Windows and run the Linux software. But that's an issue because VMs are very heavy and not every computer can support it. So Harris, what are you doing? Why are you playing with the? So
Nobody's
yeah,
watching this
so
live stream. Live
Docker essentially is a simple thing to okay, does something like virtualization, but instead of operating system level virtualization, they don't virtualize the kernel, they virtualize your application binary instead. So okay, in short, TLDR, it basically allows you to run software that is not built for your own computer. Yeah. So
Nice.
you build it once on your computer and you can run it on any other system that supports Docker. And most
Nice.
systems support Docker or similar containerization technology.
Nice.
So Docker is fairly straightforward. You clone the repo. Okay, so it's cloning into min Docker. Okay, let's just copy. Oh, that's quite a lot of stuff.
Yep.
Yeah.
How big is it?
Okay. Okay, let's Docker compose up. So okay, so we talk about Docker. Oh no, what's ports are not? Oh, my bad. I have some stuff running on Docker already. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. I do have some stuff running already. So let me just kill it. Uh, just a moment.
All right. So for any live viewers out there who is
Okay.
non-existent, welcome
So
to
we're
this
back.
live stream.
Share my screen. Share my screen.
Powered by StreamYard.
Why are we giving them so much advertising? Oh wow, okay, so it started. That's great. So okay,
Nice.
interesting. So if you guys don't know what's okay, so Docker really explain essentially allows you to run a custom piece of you can think of it as an executable or piece of software on any system that supports Docker. And Docker Compose essentially allows you to spin up a bunch of them at the same time,
Right.
meaning that let's say if I want to run two pieces of executables simultaneously, well, Docker Compose is the one of the simplest tool for you to do that. So let's see, they said localhost 3000, right? So 3000. Oh, wait, what?
The HTTP, that one. Just copy the HTTP 0.0.0.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
interesting. It's the same. I mean,
Yikes.
okay, wait, I don't think, okay, so probably this means that we're not supposed to actually go and see it. We're supposed to use it. Let's see how do we use it. It's a development server, right? So probably we connect to it to compile. I think that's what it's supposed to do, right? So let's
Mm.
see, let's learn. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how do we start. Oh, they did not. Wait, what?
Oh yes, yeah,
Okay,
yeah. So under what is means, right? Oh wait,
yeah,
oh no, sorry. It is open source. I misread it. So
it is open source,
let me
definitely.
share my screen. Basically I thought I saw this not so open development practices.
For Elm, yeah.
Yeah, they're talking about Elm. So
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm not sure why is Elm not open, but we're not gonna cover that. Okay, let's
So
see. Maybe the VS Code extension would help
using
us.
the CLI. Oh yeah, maybe you need to type mint and see if it works.
I'm pretty sure it doesn't work. Okay, let's try it.
Probably.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't work. Clearly, it's just running a development cycle. Okay, so we can see if we can just use this. Min VS Code support. Okay, let's see the extension. Wow, this is not very detailed. Well,
62
they have 62
installs.
installs.
That's a
Uh,
start, but not very good start.
oh, it's last committed 6 hours ago. I
Wow,
mean, the
that's
language looks
very.
pretty new, lah. So
Yeah, it does. It does. But for me, I just
okay,
don't see the niceness out of it. I'm not attracted to it. Yeah.
installing. Let's see. Oh no, it brings me back to this. So I guess this is not very beginner friendly if you are a
It's
Windows
not.
user.
Yeah.
This shouldn't be your first framework.
It shouldn't.
Yeah, like maybe after it's more like
I think like
mature.
once you know how to create like a React like component, right? And I think that's like the minimum that you need to know to learn
Okay,
Mint.
I think right. This is. I mean, the fact that this program language has so much like I would say hipster tag around it. I mean, it's probably like you should. This is probably the type of things you should do when you are frustrated with React really, or like let's say you're doing React and stuff like
Yeah,
that. When you're really
yeah,
frustrated, then you should come here because this does not look like something that you do on a
yeah.
like you do
Nah.
as a starting thing to learn. I think you get more confused.
Correct.
Like what? How do I? What's Docker? The hell's
Yeah,
that?
you know as Docker, then you try to. I mean, Brew is still okay lah. So
Yeah, you're using if you're using a Mac.
I'm looking at their data type. So their numbers is yeah okay. There's no support for hex or binary. That's fine. So represents the number type from JavaScript. So it's a lot of JavaScript stuff. Okay. Tuples. Oh, it's been so long since I've heard this word called tuple.
Suppose.
Tuple is which contains a fixed set value. Cool.
Looks like a very Python thing.
So they're trying to combine a lot of what is nice in different languages.
Yeah.
Something like Dart.
I mean,
Uh, type.
I would say that this particular like Mint itself is probably very heavily influenced by Crystal because Crystal itself says that it's inspired by C, C++, Python, all this
Right.
stuff.
Right.
So, by the way, share my screen. I can just show. So, if you're trying out Mint language as a newcomer, it may not be so easy because if you search how do I install Mint language on Windows, they tell you
Yikes.
Mint Linux. It's like, oh no, it's a bit too new. Well, it's cool. It's cool. Installing Mint
So
programming.
from from 0 to 5, how many GitHub stars do you recommend for a beginner to learn Mint?
Yeah.
I would say
Uh,
0.
I would say one. Like I would say one as in it's nice to read about. Yeah. And it's nice to know like that there are other options out there. Like I wouldn't exactly recommend you to do it, but I would say that it's nice to read about it, learn the differences. I mean, this thing people are like quite they feel quite strongly about Mint and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
So
This is what is
you
it
might be
called?
interested in trying out Nim, another language. God damn it.
Nah.
Yeah.
There's a lot of frameworks out there lah. It's just yeah. I mean in the end, right, like you probably need to choose a framework that gets you a job. Other than that, this is just like a hobby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or let's say if you are a framework designer, you want to
Yeah, if
get
you
inspired.
yes. Yeah.
Mint looks like it promises great stuff, but I don't think it has like uh it has like delivered yet. I mean, just now I forgot where you read it, but you read that Mint is focused on developer happiness. That's like the first thing
Right.
you talked about, right?
Yeah,
But I
yeah.
don't feel as a Windows developer because
Nah. they
how do I
gotta
run
learn
it?
they gotta learn some lessons from Flutter. Like um in terms of their documentation, it's okay. It's not great, it's okay lah. It's just that I believe it because I believe that they don't have a lot of full-time contributors, I would say lah. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's true.
so I mean
So oh,
it's
they have
fine.
a whole thing. Oh, they
Yeah.
have a lot of stuff. But
But is it good enough? Hmm.
okay. Oh,
Crystal.
why don't we just find the Docker one and then we see
Oh yeah, yeah.
how they
That
how
Docker one,
they
yeah.
is loading.
Nice. Short and sweet, guys.
Oh wait. They have a
They have a
binary. Okay,
bin, yeah.
let's
But
look. So
that's
basically, they start. Oh, they run a.
what?
Oh. Okay, I get it. So they're running
Oh,
an Alpine image. So we have to not say okay. What is it called? It's not CD.
open
We have
a
to enter the Docker interactive shell.
right.
We have to mount our volume, the current workspace. If I'm not wrong, let's look at workspace. I get it. Oh, but this is not fairly, man. Like if I have to read through how it works, just
Yikes.
yikes.
This is
Yeah.
not the
So main.min.
0 out of 5 for beginner
Wait, but
friendly.
this is the issue though because see they showed main.mint, right? However, that means that when I tried to run it just now, I mean I'm still running it, right? But we can't access this.
Yeah, that's the thing. I thought if you go in, then I will be thinking like it opens a CLI for
Yeah,
you
I
to
mean
use.
I think no, you should serve the website because
Yeah,
they are mounting this thing, right?
on
And
it,
I
right?
assume that they are mounting the local one, so maybe I'm not too sure, but this just looks slightly confusing. So if I'm not wrong, this workspace itself is an example application,
Okay.
and let's look at this. It's a binary. Yeah, it's a binary. So oh wow, can you hear it outside?
Oh my god, what is that?
Oh no, someone has stolen a car. Singapore is very safe. Uh, we
Oh
think.
wow, my subscriber count increased.
Because of the security of Singapore.
No, it's not. There's no correlation to increase in subscribers. But yeah, lah. I mean, either way,
Okay,
yeah. So
so
means
let's
if you have at least 2 years of experience, right? Then I would recommend you to go in Mint. Don't care what framework, you need
okay.
to
To
have
be
at least
honest,
two
right?
years.
This is
This
this is kind
is
of like this is kind of like Flutter in its
too
early
much,
stage.
man.
if you really know what you're doing and you believe
Oh
in
my
this
god.
framework,
No.
if you start contributing now, you probably become a core team member.
Nah. I don't see the niceness of
Okay, let's just take a look at this article. Let me see.
when is it published?
Uh, 2020. This fairly
Oh,
recently, two
okay.
months ago.
Very recent.
Uh,
CSS. Okay. I mean, once you use CSS, nobody is attracted already.
why? CSS is one of the best.
No, the thing is, why is it the best? Because it's like you could say it's taking a
Everybody
market
uses
share of what CSS is. What then people created like another type of CSS,
less,
SAS, and
less
then like when you incorporate CSS or styles inside your
browser
components,
sandbox.
yeah. Let's see, test it out.
No, this is the one that you tried just
Sandbox,
now.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
No, the thing is like
Installing
if
Mint requires a single ICP.
Docker
Where does
container,
Oh my god, it's the same thing. God damn it.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
the thing is
like
to get started. Wait, let's see whether we can find Docker. No,
no,
right? Or let's just see if they have a search. Do they have a search? No, they don't have a search. No, they
they
don't.
don't have to do that.
Tools maybe?
No,
No, using CLI. Let's just see if they have a Docker.
it's not supported well, or it's not at the stage of
Yeah, use it. Try it out if you're a Mac user. Harris, why don't you try it out? I mean, since you're
I
using
don't
Mac.
want. I really don't
for
want.
the for the
I
viewers.
no, nobody is asking me except for you. I'm not gonna use Mint. No, it's like in terms of like personally, like I don't feel attracted to use it at all. Yeah,
Hmm.
I see the language itself. I'm like, this is not beginner friendly at all. Um,
Well, it's quite a refreshing programming language. They have 56 likes.
for
So
what?
let's
This one,
dev to yeah, yeah. So
yeah.
let's take it.
I want to see the
Okay.
comments.
Start working on it. Makes sense. Okay. Yeah, I would say that their compiler,
Language,
their logs. No, just now you know the sandbox. You have some issues, the
yeah,
errors. I would say that the logs looks quite comprehensive.
yeah. It is
So
comprehensive. It is very comprehensive,
okay.
but doesn't mean it's a good language, lah.
Uh, I mean, I would say that maybe one day. It's just like Flutter back in the day.
Flutter is
Uh,
good because it's simple
I would
enough.
say they have money behind it. To be honest, if Google doesn't support Flutter, Flutter won't be where it is today.
That's not true.
Are you sure that Flutter like will just work out without Google's help? I mean, I would say that the
Okay, if
main
you
community behind it is Google developers. The
yeah,
the
definitely
the language itself is Google's language. The VM itself, the run the language is written by Google too.
Google's right. Yeah,
So
no,
without that, right, no matter how
yeah,
good Flutter is, it's not gonna work.
I understand it's like paid and organic, right? So like for me, I already
Oh, look at this.
yeah,
200
a
plus
lot of
unique
people
names.
just like Flutter out of the box when it came out before it was publicized by Google publicly. Yeah, but
Yeah.
either way,
Oh,
decentralized package
this
management,
this is interesting to say that this I never heard of this.
decentralized like
Um,
build system, Mint
this is
versus
nice.
X
This is nice. This is I
server
mean
to browse documentation, use packages. All right, okay. TypeScript, Elm, Vue.
is
That's
there
it. You forgot
Dart.
that. Yes. Ha. 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 See, Flutter is
Is
gaining
Flutter game?
much popularity.
Ah,
See, now everybody is regretting not to learn Flutter. Hike. No,
I
actually,
mean,
that is
okay, the same
no.
as the same as everything lah. Like I feel that if you learn Flutter, there's a potential of getting locked in. It's just like when you learn Objective C and then Apple is like, nope, let's go Swift, and,
Yeah. Then you regret.
and
No,
it's
I
like if you
think
don't move, it's you're
yeah.
just left behind.
I think that is a nice language. I mean,
There's so
I'm
much
very
options.
biased lah.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know you're very biased.
I'm very biased
Uh,
to Flutter because that's like my 80% or
yeah.
95% of what I've been doing.
Back in the
Yeah.
day when people built UI with XML, C Sharp, and
Yes,
Windows.
yeah. Now HTML. What is this HTML CSS newbies? They don't understand. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I would say that. Yeah,
but
boring
y-
established.
yeah, I
Solid
don't see
premise.
the yeah. Seems legit, but nah. How open
Oh, and
are
it doesn't support
constructs?
WASM. Right. I think that right now, right, if you are trying to build a framework or language for the browser, like for the future, lah, and you don't support WASM, it's probably gonna be a tough sell as we move further and further into the future.
Wisdom is still very young. Mm.
But I
But
think
this
like most
2018 lah.
languages, this is not 2018. Is this 2018? Oh, it is.
It's
Oh,
long
this is
ago,
in.
bro.
Oh wait, so Min has been in the works for very long.
Yeah, but no traction. They just missed the mark since the day since the inception lah. So I'm not gonna.
Let's
Yeah,
see. Just now, Min GitHub.
we need to add this to the vast list of existing JavaScript. Keep on coming.
They
No
have
lah,
quite a lot of stars, I would say.
two point three. Yeah, but it's not
I
enough.
would say
It's
that
just a
I would
start
say
lah.
that the idea of the idea of it is very nice. Like, but like it's just like as usual, the web development landscape is just too fragmented. I mean, most everybody almost nowadays just stick to either React, Vue, or Angular, the big
Flutter.
three. Flutter is still not really a
No
thing.
lah, I think the thing is right. Oh, there's one more viewer. What's his name? Oh, got two. Oh no, no, got one, two. Oh, okay, never mind. So what am I trying to say? No. So the thing is right. Like why I feel Dart language in terms of like a newbie perspective is attractive, right? It's because right, it is very, very close to English language. You know,
Mm, the
they are
declarative stuff.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's like it's even the developers they don't want to like put in short forms. They really just put in English language lah. So like for Mint, right? Mint is only very attractive to React people. So
When
because
you
it
are
looks
very
very
frustrated
familiar.
already.
Yeah, then you want to
Yes.
do something that's like, oh my god, you solved my problem. But the thing is, nobody
At the
wants to.
same time, it's so new that it may have new problems. So
Yeah, yeah. But the thing is like React people don't like how to say like React people, even though they complain, they still think that React is still pretty good. Then they won't really go to Mint or whatever lah.
I
It's
mean,
just
it's true lah. React is like tried and tested for so long already,
yeah,
and like, even if they are really frustrated with React, at the end of the day, most I would say that almost 99% you can get around with your issue with a hack or something like that.
yeah.
So very rarely is there a need for you to, because if you are already very frustrated with React, it probably means that you already developed your whole application on React and you are at that stage where the application is so complex. And usually speaking, it's just easier to fix it up. Okay, like depending on what company you work at, then moving to a completely new programming language and framework that is, I don't know, is this in beta already or is this in production already?
Production I suppose Mint 2 years leh. I mean no
Probably.
lah, cannot say 2 years but like from what it looks like
It's
it's
still in
in
development.
production. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry, it's in
So,
development now. So
but it's
there's a lot
active lah
more.
at the very least. Yeah.
Yeah, it is active, but uh, yeah lah. I don't know.
Yeah, so I would say that
Other
it's if you're trying to learn, okay, I would say that okay, this is a good project to work on. One, if you're trying to learn a very very new thing. Two, if you are trying to learn how to write your own framework or how to write your own language, this is an interesting thing to check out. Or if you're really special and you like Crystal, this is a
for
good
some
Crystal
reason,
project, I think.
you're so hipster to the point that you just need it. You just
Yeah.
you just need something to prove them wrong. Yeah, use me now.
And to be honest, the logo, everything looks nice.
Nah, I
This
don't like the logo. It's not.
this looks nice.
No,
It,
nah.
look at your website. It looks. I mean, the website looks so clean. To be honest,
Yeah, the website looks good. I like it, but I see the language. I don't like it.
I don't know. Okay, the thing is this website built in Mint?
Ah, good question. I don't know. You can go to
it'll
their
be
GitHub.
it'll be funny if it's no. Okay, let's see if we can.
No idea
Let's find
actually.
out what is built in.
Can we see?
Oh wait, they have Mint Real World. Oh, sorry. Just now when we went to the real world, that we didn't find it. But we
Right.
do have Mint Real World here. Let's I can share my screen.
Okay.
So
Hey, can you control
no, I
like
can't.
the?
It's your
Oh,
session.
okay.
Yeah. So this is their real world thing.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Like
Let's see.
like go to their
Oh,
website.
what HTML 100%?
I think it's compiled one. I believe it's
Oh yeah, it
compiled to
transfers to
HTML.
JS, right? And then probably they embed the JavaScript in script text.
Yeah.
So okay, wait. Let's
Let's go.
see.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay, loading quite okay. All right.
Okay, so this is a medium clone, I guess.
You know, for real, it's not really a medium clone, but it's like what you will expect in a social media. So you have posts, you have likes, you have users, and then you have tags, and then you have sign in and
Okay,
whatever
I
and
would
sign up.
say that
It's
it
okay. It's
looks
not bad.
very responsive.
Yeah.
I would say that this okay. First impression, this is 10x better than Flutter Web.
Of why are you comparing Flutter
Look
Web?
at how smooth this is.
It is no,
Oh
even
my
for no,
god.
even for myself, I wouldn't say Flutter Web is ready for production at all.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's see if this works.
Anyway,
Uh,
story for you. I called Caleb just to ask him how to do text form, but yeah,
what's how to do what?
text form, text,
Like
my
recently?
text is, yeah. I then I realized to because I wanted to do the
Flutter.
self-employed the funds, right. Then I was confused by the word sole proprietary to company. So in the end I
Oh, the
couldn't.
name is already taken.
Lousy.
Real world.
Just put JJ real word lah.
Oh
Okay.
wow! Wait,
It's very
is it
fast. It's very
wait is
fast.
it a legit login system or is this like a?
Is this fake, right? Like fake. But I believe
Yeah, I
this should be
don't know. Wait. So
Zoom
wow,
in, zoom in. Can you like
this is
command plus at least? Don't need to zoom in like command plus. Yeah. So at least when you go to different,
oh,
yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
It's responsive.
It's very responsive, very fast. I like it. And the thing is, you say is all HTML. I'm assuming that means compiles to like you say all the JS into the script tag kind of things.
Yeah, so it's like a static website performance. I mean, not static website per se, but like, oh
It's
wow,
very
okay.
close to static. Can you
Oh
in
wait,
fact?
what? Invalid.
Don't know. You
Yikes.
never save your password. Yikes! Need to sign
Correct.
up,
I
bro.
say
Need to sign
no.
up. Need
I
to sign
signed
up.
up. Oh, okay. So
Save.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So this okay. So I can confirm now that this is a more or less. I would say that this is probably a real thing. Like these are probably all user content. This is actually probably like a real all server and everything,
Yeah. It does.
because
It is. Oh, you never. You
because
don't know
like
what's real world, ah.
no. I don't know whether this is a fake or not because it's not published on the
Oh,
real world directory also.
right.
So, and the thing is because I mean the main thing I can tell is because just now when I try to log in with my original email JJ it doesn't work, and then when I
Yeah.
put lower caps JJ it works because most authentication system will treat the front part of the email as case insensitive, then they'll force you to
Right.
lowercase. So
Right.
this is very interesting.
Okay.
Let's see if we can publish an article. Harris.
Before I
Uh,
kick you from the live stream, you better write something nice.
Harris is happy. Why do I say so? Because we
We don't need
have
to explain that faster. Come
this
on.
one
This is just
viewer.
an extract. It's not the content, leh.
Oh, really? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Read the title,
Oops.
bruh. Okay. Then put in the
Fucked up.
tags. Put in the tags.
Wait.
Come on.
Text.
Don't put so many things. Okay. Can then just
Harris.
send. Let's see. Oh wow, that's fast. Nice.
Wow. I'm not sure whether
Okay.
that is it because there's no users or what, but this is very fast. Right? So you can look
This
at
real
our own
the
cloud.
real world API
Wow.
is being used by a lot of people. I mean, a lot of frameworks are. So I'm assuming that there will be a lot of people doing the same what you're doing to compare how is it being rendered in different. Yeah.
This is cool. I would say that this is very nice. It looks very good on mobile also. I'm not say very good, but it is pretty good. right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this looks very empty. Yeah, okay, it looks like the standard JavaScript layout thing. Layout. Okay, so it's
I
a
mean,
fairly
it's
interesting
yeah.
approach. Index.js. Oh, so what's index.js? Sources. Oh wait, I can't just. Okay. Oh, it's a minified file. So yeah, this is very interesting. So they probably put all their JavaScript in just one file. Wow, look at how long this is. Wait.
Fucking long.
Uh,
Too long. I
this
saw
is so
Haris is happy.
really damn. So this is really interesting, right? Because
Right.
ah
Realworld.svelte. Okay, nice.
okay. Styling HTML clearly differs from the original. Okay.
I can't see, bruh.
Oh wait, this is interesting. Oh, okay. I don't think we saw it just now, but let's go back. This actually also have PWA support,
Nice.
so I can actually install this.
Okay.
Wait, let me
That's
just.
great.
Do you see this?
But yeah. But I still don't think that is like if I were to compare Mint and Svelte, right? Svelte is more beginner friendly than Mint. You know?
Mm. No,
If you want
this
to
is. I mean, as they already say, right? This is not for beginners, really. Even in their docs, this is like for when, like, they created it out of frustration for
Korea.
JavaScript and npm and Elm, so that's why
Yeah.
they created it. So this is a quite niche use case, but I would say that, well, if the app product is actually pretty amazing, yeah,
I mean
the
it's
app
a
product
close
is very amazing.
it's fast, but that's what I'm expecting from a JS framework. Because Crystal
Uh,
is compiled to JS, right? Not like
you can
Flutter
see
Web.
the main website is a Ruby on Rails. No,
Ah,
uh, yeah, Ruby. So it's not really mean,
yikes.
but okay, you know what? It's still effort.
Yeah,
It's a real effort. You have a UI library to the runtime. Oh, JavaScript runtime. Fairly interesting. Uh,
nice.
okay. Interesting. Uh,
Nice.
okay.
Nice.
uh,
Okay.
wow. Let's just look at something. Uh, this is a very interesting. It's an interesting project. Whoever who did it, kudos to you.
Interesting doesn't mean uh what do you call that? What's it? Profitable.
No, I would say that this person, right, just saying like, will probably be like hired for big companies because certain big companies, let's say they face certain challenges and they want to design their own programming language. It's good to have someone who knows, even if the language is not popular. Okay, it's quite popular with 2.3K GitHub stars, but like even some of this amount of experience would be a great help if you want to build your own programming language for whatever reason. Do you know? Wait, I forgot what was it. I think it was the Times or something. Or is it the Economist? The Times magazine. They actually have their own programming language. It's like a
Yikes.
it's a from very old, but
Because they
uh
lazy.
no. Okay, it's probably not Times. It's Economist maybe. It's like one of these magazines. But oh no. Yeah, but anyway, I remember there's one that they built their own language like last time before JavaScript and all those things, and then they kind of stuck with it, and for 15 years they've been using
Yeah.
it. So
I mean
yeah,
if it's internally, but there's a lot of I mean there's pros and cons lah, but
yeah. So I would say that
yeah,
if you are looking for someone to hire with a bit of experience in this kind of stuff, if your company is planning to build your own language for whatever reason, this
go
guy
for
this
it,
guy has
man.
a good portfolio.
Very good portfolio, yes.
Yeah.
But
And
either
like,
way,
okay,
yeah.
let's say 26 contributors, right? I want to know who is the top contributor. It's probably the few guys.
Let's see.
Yeah, so it's just this one guy.
Sad life.
So whoever
There's
who
only
is
one.
this guy, it's good hire. Yeah, I mean, oh, Elm. Oh, so He's active in Elm also. But yeah,
So he's a
digital native.
React Elm guy. Okay.
Yeah, I mean that's why he created it. He says that he doesn't like. Oh, so maybe it's this company is funding this. I'm not sure, but let's
No,
see.
I think it's his own what do you call it, agency. Yeah.
30 spirited.
Like
Oh,
yours
this is
are like
very
digital, ankle digital.
nice. This is very nice. Yeah. I would say that this is a cool guy. Yeah. All right. Cool.
Developers.
I
First
think I
business is
think
always an agency.
that's all I have to say. This is a bit of a failure. I don't know why. Um,
This is why developers need some
let's
UX
let's see. Let's
things.
see if we can see that the Docker is running. So
Is it
how do I do
running?
it? Yeah, it is running. I think it's this. It's like I've totally forgot how to do this, but let's see. Oh no, how do I Docker? Maybe it's I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's just try it out. Ah. Oh, okay. Wait. This is this. So the exact IT. Nope. The
Run a
exact
command in running container.
one.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay. Wait. Give me a second. I do have. Let me just see how I used to do it. Oh, by the way, my wallpaper is nice, right? It's a
I
good.
switched to Mint, but yep, it is nice. It's very Chinese though. It's super Chinese, super
It's so
China.
thing.
Yeah, super Chinese. I'm like, okay, yeah, no problem, no problem, no problem. So thank you guys for coming to this stream. None of there's
Wait.
literally no
Let's try.
one.
Oh, okay. I found the command. So it's
So today we are talking about Mint, and from my experience, it is 0 for beginner friendly, 0 for user.
so the
And the thing is, if
original.
and the thing is, right, if you want to have a sandbox, why do you need someone to log in? That will actually make someone, right, not use your programming language. It's as simple as that. Because
Computer.
if someone wants to learn more about your language and your sandbox requires a login, that means something. That means you want either the email or you don't trust the person or for some reason. It's a bit weird. So come on, guys, you gotta step it up. Yep,
Wait, I'm desperately trying to get this to work.
it's
Mean
okay.
Docker. Okay. Yeah. Let's go for Bash.
All
Don't
right.
know whether they have Bash in Alpine, but no Bash. Okay. Let's try Shell
Bin.
then. Uh,
That's right, Bina. Then they will
no.
auto find what? No,
Huh? No. Wait. No. Wait. What?
that's right, Bina.
Oh, wait. Probably. What if we run? Okay. Okay. I don't think it works, but this is it's obviously
Fly
not.
me to the permission denied.
Yeah.
We should
Okay. Why
do
don't we start the binary? Because the binary is
cannot permission denied.
no. Let's just try Mint.
What? That. Okay. So let's move on.
Oh, it works.
Oh,
Oh
okay.
shit, it works. Okay, so
What
they
do you
should probably
write?
have this documentation. So I basically just
Bin and
run.
meet. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah,
Then you
yeah,
have
yeah.
to mount your own files over, and then you can see it on 3000.
Yikes.
I think.
Oh my god.
I uh
Yikes.
Very interesting, but it's done in
Yeah.
Python, I guess. So they're quite excited to showcase it.
The fuck.
So okay, let's try that. So I think they have. Oh wow. Uh,
Okay. Yeah.
oh,
I literally can see everything that you have.
no, that's yeah. So I mean, wait, am I not?
No, you're
Oh,
not in.
I can't. Oh, I can't
You're
interactively
just
execute.
running the Mint CLI. That's it.
Yeah, I can't. Can I pass it arguments? Let's see.
You can Mint build, I guess. Right? Yeah. Try. I think can lah.
You just hang. Oh, it built.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we didn't specify.
Why got
Okay,
question
okay.
mark? Why
Because we
so
didn't
weird?
specify what to build, right?
Right, that's true.
Yeah, no files or directory. Yeah, okay, this is well,
We are
at
so
least we kind of got it working.
yes. I don't know why we are saving a sinking boat. What's the point? Let it sink and move on.
This is
No,
interesting.
I'm not
Okay.
like I said, I'm not interested in meat anymore. Like the more you're trying to save it, the more I don't want. You're not. Yeah, I'm so sorry lah. I'm so sorry. Mint, you were good, but Svelte is better.
But I thought you just like snap. Let
I want to try React, TypeScript,
we make a new
TS.
PR.
No,
Let's make a
you make a PR. All
I
right,
oh,
so I'm
I
gonna
need to
end
put
this live stream. We're not gonna. No, you have to
Should
talk.
I-
You have to talk, and then you have
yeah,
to
yeah,
do.
okay, okay. Let's make
Anything
it.
else that you want to add, sir? Maybe you
No.
should. I was thinking we should do another live stream and we talk about something else. This
Yeah,
mint,
let us know if you guys want us to do something like the WAN show.
mint is
Oh,
bad. Mint. Where is it? Mint
okay, so let's
0/5
this
stars.
is
And it's fucking good. Ta-da!
oh my god, you're
Okay.
gonna get super copyright.
All right. I'm
Uh,
gonna end this broadcast. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah. So
ooh,
I think we should go back reviewing code. There will be more people watching. Hey. Okay. So see you guys. Bye bye. I'm gonna end this broadcast.